Hello, my name is Alec Beckham, and together with my partner Katie Hilbert, we have put something together that we think can change how nonprofits help families access government benefits. Right now, millions of Americans are eligible for programs like SNAP, WIC, Medicaid, and housing assistance, but they're not receiving them because the system is incredibly complex and somewhat prohibitive by design. There are dozens of different programs at the federal and state level, each with different eligibility rules, application processes, and recertification requirements. The nonprofits trying to help them are often drowning in spreadsheets, struggling to keep track of who qualifies for what, missing renewal deadlines, and watching families lose benefits because of administrative gaps. And that's why we built BenefitBridge. BenefitBridge is an intelligent Airtable-based platform that automates the entire benefits journey from eligibility screening through enrollment and recertification. Think of it as a GPS for navigating government assistance, built specifically for those teams on the front lines. So let's take a look at how it works. This is what a case manager sees when they log in each morning. Here we have Maria Rodriguez, a single mom with 2 young children, making around $2,100 a month. The system automatically prioritizes who needs attention the most, with tabs at the top for progress needed, responses due, no contact made, unreachable, and all communications. But here's where it gets really powerful. The moment Maria's information was entered, BenefitBridge ran her household composition and income against the eligibility criteria for every active program in the base. Within seconds, it determined those she was eligible for, those she was unlikely eligible for, and auto-excluded those that she's entirely ineligible for. For the unlikely items, we can see why that determination was made, and for those that are likely, the amount that she can expect to receive monthly and annually. For any items that she is likely eligible for, records have been created for the different document types that are needed for the application process, and those can be collected later on in the submission process. Now, this is one way we can view this information, but we've also provided an applicant pipeline here so that case managers can see the different eligibility assessments that are in flight and where those applications are in the process. So we've already done a little work with Maria, and she has been approved for these 3 different benefits, but she's not started receiving them yet. Then others have various statuses, and we can easily move those from one category to another as we update information. We also have a button here to jump back to the full record for that constituent. Now, getting benefits is difficult, but keeping them is even more so. To help with that, we have added renewal management calendar here. And with this, we can see each constituent with an upcoming renewal. Those are here tagged by the color of the status, and we can see the program that is up for renewal as well. If we click here, we can get a little more information about the situation, and then clicking to expand would give us that full item. So we have the due date for that recertification, the number of days until due, the status, or the alert status, the overall renewal status, and then notes and information on the result of that renewal. These renewal records are created automatically once a application has been approved, so case managers will not have to do that themselves. And we also have automated notifications at several different timing periods along the process to keep both the constituent and the case manager on track. Now, for our executive directors and grant writers, we have also prepared a dashboard that you can use to help when it comes to grant writing season. Here, you'll have real-time metrics showing you both the applications submitted, approved, and denied, the total value secured, broken down by program, staff member, and time period, as well as common barriers that constituents face. And this will allow your team to focus more strongly on those specific areas in helping move beyond those barriers. We will continue to improve BenefitBridge, adding in some different AI determinations of things like next steps and insights for the case management team about common eligibility issues or timeline items that can really help move things forward for both their team and their constituents. BenefitBridge takes the complexity of government assistance and makes it manageable. It takes the chaos of case management and creates clarity. And it takes families who are eligible for help and actually gets them enrolled. That's what we're building. Thanks for watching.